Today let's draw Mrbeast in 8 different styles. But random box is going to decide which style I draw. Spoiler alert, this was the hardest video I've ever made. Let's start with side number 1. Please let this be a good style. Simpson style? First off, I draw curly head and of course the round eye. Next I'm using markers to do base color. Also, why am I drawing skin red? So Simpsons are usually yellow, but red seemed like the perfect choice. Bold, intense and epic. I'm just kidding. I drew skin red because I couldn't find a single yellow marker. And now, on top of the base color, let's do a layer with pencils so that everything would look more cartoony and much better. It went pretty well. The shading turned out smooth and clean. And finally, I'm doing bold black outline to make it even more cartoony. This is the final result of Simpson style. Anyways, let's move to the next side. Well, random box, random style. Whoa, fire style?
I feel like I need a fire extinguisher for this drawing.
Wait a second, the yellow marker! It was right here the whole time. To do fire style, I'm gonna draw fire next to Mrbeast and use the warm color palette. I mean, for example, the mustache originally was brown, but in fire style it's red. The base is done, now it's time for shading. I do fire style very often, and usually it's pretty simple. Do fire part and change the colors to red, orange and yellow. But this time it was really hard. I think mainly because I have like zero experience drawing humans. And finally, let's outline it all with a black pen. So, the fire side is done. Do not approach without marshmallows. So it's time for the third side. Traditionally, let's pull out a random style. King style? Wait, what even is this style? Actually, I have no idea how to draw this style. So, I'm gonna draw the crown and that's it. I draw only crown for this style. I don't know why, but that does not look like a normal crown. I think I made it too big. It can topple at any second. Although this side might look easy, there's actually a lot going on here. This is the first realistic style in the drawing, so the details really matter. And my realism skills are something like very terrible, so don't be surprised if Mrbeast ends up looking like a cartoon anyway.
A few moments later.
I don't know about you, but I think it does not look realistic at all. So I think we're gonna do outline for it. Yeah, it won't look realistic anymore, but on the other hand, the drawing will be in one cartoon style. Although it's cartoony now, the side looks absolutely amazing. I feel like I need to bow to the drawing every time I pick up my marker. In the meantime, here's the king side. And the result is awesome. To the fourth side. Oh, I almost forgot. We need to pull out a random style. I had a good feeling about this one, so it's inverted style. Basically, to draw inverted style, I don't need to change the sketch at all. What I need to do is to use color wheel and choose opposite colors. For example, orange and blue. While editing this, I noticed that I chose the color for hair wrong. Basically, brown is dark orange, so I should have chose light blue. It's one of those effects that's incredibly simple to do, but if you mess up, it can end up looking really strange. And as you can see now, I messed up. Just look at this! But I hope that it will look better with outline. Spoiler, it won't. inverted style. You see it yourself. It looks really weird. Anyways, with half of the drawing done, let's move to the fifth side. Well, what style we will pick from a random box now? It must be an easy style because it's already 2 AM and I wanna sleep so much. Oh no, X-ray style. This is the worst style I could have possibly picked. So to do it, firstly I draw cartoon style, then I draw some black lines over the finished drawing. And after it, I do white lines in places where black lines lay on the outline. And you know, this process is really time consuming. On top of that, I picked the biggest size. But one good thing about all that is this style is classic and so nostalgic. I really enjoyed watching every single video by Mrbeast and other artists who drew cartoon characters in 4 styles. I even spent all my money for that magic Posca markers. Anyways, the X-ray style is done, and all the efforts I've spent, it was worth it. Let's get straight to the next side. As always, let's randomly pick a random style. Please, something good and easy. Anime style? It's another style that I haven't drawn yet. So I started by making long hair to capture the anime style. Then I changed the eye shape to this. I'm not really into anime, so I use these images as references. Oh, sorry, wrong ones. Shading, I combined bold shadow without any gradients with my usual smooth technique for light parts. And you know, it turned out pretty good. I really like the eye because it gives this anime vibe. And finally, let's outline it all. Oh, I completely forgot to draw the nose. And correct me if I'm wrong, but usually in anime, artists draw noses just by adding a shadow, right? After 4 hours of unstoppable drawing, Mrbeast as anime character, and it's like 20 out of 10. Once we have this style, let's get to the next side. Let's see what style we will draw next. So now the style is Frankenstein. I feel it's gonna be a great side. This Frankenstein style is really good, and I like doing it because I don't have to redraw the sketch much. I draw bold as an ear and some scars on the face. Remember how I said, I feel it's gonna be a great side. So long to short, this is terrible. I don't know why, but this looks awful. Look at this. But maybe a miracle would happen and the outline will fix it. Spoiler, no it won't. Without any comments. However, it's time for the final side. It must be a good one, because I really don't want to repeat the story with X-ray style. Please, Gleb, pick something nice and easy. Drip style. As many of you know, drip is another classic style. So to do it, I'm gonna draw a lot of drips on the entire side. So it will look something like a melted candle. Also guys, if you watch the video this far, I would really appreciate if you leave a like and subscribe. Also, a lot of you suggested me to draw Mrbeast in the comments. And here it is. So if you want me to draw someone, share your ideas below. This will really support me and my channel. Thank you so much. I think I made a little bit too much drips. I have to expect him to drip right off the page. With that, after 2 weeks of hard work, burnout, and so many efforts, the drawing has come to the end. I'm ready to show you. Mr. Beast in 8 styles.